Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Irusu Monster Virtual Reality Glasses. On the front of the box, we have an image of the device itself. On the bottom right, we have a few of the use cases, which include viewing of 3D videos, 360-degree videos, and it also has support for VR games. On the left hand side of the box, we have some instructions on how you can use the device. On the right hand side, we have a few of the salient features, which include HD resin aspherical lenses with a diameter of 42 millimeters, IPD adjustable and 60 to 70 millimeters. That is basically the distance between the two eyes. It is compatible with all smartphones that have a gyroscopic sensor, and it is compatible with Apple and Android devices. The display of the smartphone should not be below 4.7 inches and should not exceed 6.6 inches. It has a focal length ranging from 37.5 to 46.5 millimeters. It is made from ABS plastic. The dimensions are 185 by 138 by 100 millimeters and has a weight of 278 grams. Its field of view is 90 to 100 degrees and is suitable for use with spectacles. On top of the package, we simply have some Irusu Monster virtual reality glasses branding. On the bottom, we have some of the manufacturing and importing details along with the details for the customer care. The back of the box has an illustration of the device, and a few of the features and components have been called out, like the focal distance adjustment lever, the device buckles, pupil adjustment levers, and things like that. We also have the contents of the package over here, which include VR glasses, cleaning cloth, and user guide. We have already gone through the minimum requirements in terms of the smartphone that will be put in here. So, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So, let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user guide. This should help you get started off with using the VR headset. Next, we have some offers as well from the brand, and on the back, we have some QR codes where you can leave some feedback. We also have a warranty card, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Lastly, in terms of the reading material, we have the user guide for this Bluetooth remote, and this should help you get started with understanding the functions of the remote and help you connect it to the smartphone. We also get this cleaning cloth that can be used to clean the lenses of the VR headset or the display of the smartphone that you use with this VR headset. Let's talk about this controller first. It can be connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth and it can be used while VR gaming. But most importantly, it can be used to adjust the basic functions of the smartphone while the smartphone is in the VR headset. So you don't need to remove it often. The basic functions that can be controlled are things like pausing and playing the videos and increasing and decreasing the brightness, and there are more controls that the uh, user guide will tell you all about. The controller has a trigger on the top, a joystick on the front, an at the rate symboled button, a power button, and A, B, and XY buttons. On the bottom, we have some Irusu branding, and on the back, we have a hatch which holds two AAA batteries. Coming now to the VR headset, this is the front side. As you can see, it has some Irusu Monster branding on it, and overall, the device has a black and silver color scheme going for it. It is predominantly black in color with a silver accent running down the middle. This is the section where you put the smartphone. As we can see over here, there are four anti-scratch pads. The smartphone goes over it with the display facing downwards. And there is a little bit of a bracket over here that pushes the smartphone into the pad. Underneath that, we can see the two lenses. They have some protective covers on it that need to be removed before use. On top of the device, we have the adjustment knobs that control and adjust the lenses. The one on top over here brings the lenses closer or further away from your eyes. This one does the same for the other lens, and this one right in the middle uh, adjusts the distance between the two lenses, bringing it closer or moving it further apart. Coming now to the area that touches your face, it is nicely padded, and it also has some level of ventilation to it to avoid overheating. The straps are elastic and adjustable. All three of the straps, that is, two straps on each side that can be tightened using these buckles, and one strap going from the top of your head to prevent the device from sagging downwards. There's this leather like finished piece on the back as well. To get started with using the device, we would need to place it into the VR headset. Make sure that the video you want to play or the game that you want to play is already running on the smartphone. Next, just put it downwards, place the display downwards, and put it in place and shut off the VR headset. Once you wear it, you can adjust the lenses to get a clear image or the most comfortable image. As you can see over here, there is ample space between the lenses and your eyes, so it is usable with the spectacles as well. So this was the unboxing of the Irusu Monster virtual reality glasses. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.